Hello everyone, I am Anumudana and I am doing my MBA in Aditya Business School. So I thought to tell you all about Indra Nooyi. First, I would like to tell you all why I choose Indra Nooyi for my documentary. It is because she has been continuously ranked among the 100 most powerful women in the world, especially in the field of business. So as first, I would like to talk about how she has been entered into PepsiCo and how she's become the CEO of it. How hard she have worked for it. So Indra Nooyi has become the CEO of PepsiCo in 2006. Like she has joined in PepsiCo in 1994 and become in 2006 CEO in 2006, which tells us that how much hard work she has put through it to become the CEO of PepsiCo. So when she has been joined in 1994, she has not directly took the seat of CEO. She has been worked as the chief president and the chief financial officer of PepsiCo, and also she has handled many uh, many problems like the strategical problems which should not be outletted. She handled everything, and with all those hard work, finally in 2006 she has become the CEO of PepsiCo after Stephen Raymond. And considering the 44 years history of PepsiCo, Indra Nooyi is the fifth CEO of PepsiCo company. And when seeing the hard work that the Indra Nooyi has put on, Nooyi has started her career with her bachelor's degree in science, and to become the first CEO and to become the first CEO, women CEO of very big company like PepsiCo. She paved the path for many Indian women in the corporate world. And her idea, like she brought many Indian girls who were only taught to get married at the age where Indra Nooyi sat in the seat of success. Like she conquered the world and become the CEO of one of the world's biggest and best company like PepsiCo. She has been a model. She has become a model to many women in this world. So now we'll come into the history of Nooyi. Like Indra Nooyi was born in October 28 in 1955. She was born in Madras, Tamil Nadu, in India, and she completed her schoolings um, in Holy Angel School, which is an Anglo-Indian school, and she completed her business studies in University of Madras and MBA in IBM, and her MS degree in Yale University, America. In the beginning of her career, Indra Nooyi had has been the product manager of. The beginning of her career, Indra Nooyi has been performed as the product manager of Johnson's and Johnson's company, and while attending her Yale School of Management in America, she completed her summer internship in Booz Allen Hamilton, and in 1980, Nooyi joined the Boston Consultancy Group as a strategy consultant, and there she worked at Motorola as the vice president, and then she has been through experience she came to PepsiCo, where she worked as a president, and then as the chief financial officer, and then to the CEO positions. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. By through the life history of Nooyi, Indra Nooyi, we all women comes to know about like how we should work hard to get to the success, like to the heights where Indra Nooyi have is being there now. And thank you.